at this super awesome BMW i8 Roadster. Now this car goes 0 to 60 in just about 4.5 seconds and also has a combined power output with its electric motor and its gasoline motor of about 364 horsepower. And today we're going to be taking a look at all of the coolest things about this car, getting it out on the road, going for a little drive with the i8 Roadster, and seeing what this car is really all about. The coolest things about the BMW i8 is that from the key fob itself, on the convertible version of this car, you're actually able to go ahead and operate the roof system. So you have to unlock the car and then hold this button down, and if you do that, the roof will actually start operating on its own. Going to be taking out the BMW i8 Convertible. Now this is a car that has a lot of special features and a lot of unique touches to make it just stand out from anything else that exists on the road. Now this is a car that when BMW was making it, they had a lot of intention of how they wanted it to look in the future and all of their cars moving forward. You can see that in the i3. You can see that in a lot of different cars that you have today. And especially in the i8, this is probably one of their top-end models that features electric components that also make it capable for the car to go faster on the road. Thank you as always to my friend Gabe for allowing me to take this BMW i8 out today. And also be sure to check out Rally BMW in Jericho, New York for any of your possible BMW inquiries, purchases, sales, service. They do pretty much everything here at Rally, and they're a really great dealership that really does care about their customers a lot, and they put a lot of attention to detail when they're working on clients' cars. Now, when you're driving in the i8, you're really able to tell how cool this car is. I mean, it's really like sitting in a futuristic spaceship. Now, this car has so much different pieces of technology on it that just make it so cool and so unique. Now, when you're driving it, you do feel as though you're connected to the car a lot. You have the digital tachometer in front of you that shows you your speed that you're going, and you're kind of seated in this cockpit-style interior that really allows you to feel like you're in charge of what you're doing behind the wheel of this car. Obviously, out of all of the coolest features on the i8, you have to admit the doors that do go up are one of the coolest. Time you drive a different car, you learn new things about the industry and how cars are made, and just overall, you're always learning about new things about cars. This BMW i8 Roadster is no exception to that. This has been one of the greatest cars I've ever gotten behind the wheel of. Super fast, super fun, and you really truly do feel every ounce of technology that they placed inside this car. Thank you as always to Gabe Hall of Rally BMW in Jericho, New York for letting me review and drive these awesome, crazy cars. I really hope you do appreciate this video, and hopefully you learn a little bit about the BMW i8 Roadster.